It's an unboxing. Hey everybody, it's Venus. Welcome back to my channel and from the intro. Yeah, I'm not actually wearing the same top every single day. I've just filmed a few videos within the same day. So today I'm doing this unboxing, which I have never done before on my channel, so I thought it might be different, interesting. So if that's the kind of thing that you're interested in, stick around. Now, as you'll see from the title, description, etc. These are makeup brushes. So, as I said before on my channel, I'm sorry. Put that over there. I am going to try my hand at doing makeup, and I've been told that I need to have various different types of brushes for different jobs? No, different looks. Yeah, I'm not a makeup artist before anyone starts. It's just something that I've always wanted to try. So yeah, I need brushes, and I've decided to opt for these ones. I think it's called VANDER. Yeah, lovely plastic packaging, thanks. So let's get this open and see what we've got inside. Oh my god, that stinks! Do you know what it's like? It's a bit... It's like really overpowering paint. Like gloss paint. And now my hands stink of it as well. I don't know what this... See, it looks a bit like a clutch bag. No, I'm not exaggerating here. These actually stink. Oh, I see. So it opens up... hang on. Put that back together. So it's like a pop button. Then it opens up. It's like a bit like a tool belt. Ah, I see. So you unroll it and it lays nice and flat. So let's see what we have. So we have all these different types of brushes. Now let's see if I can guess what these brushes are for. I have no idea what this one's for. Feels very soft, very soft, like a chinchilla. Oh, that's really nice. That feels good. Could this be? No, I don't think this is for like for highlighting. Because there's another one that I spotted that I think, according to the videos that I've watched from my friend Angie's channel, For Reputed Lifestyle. Hey, this is your fault. You've inspired me, so it's your fault. So it feels... It's not a completely smooth brush. Handle. As you can see, this isn't my kind of thing, so I'm just waffling on as per. But that feels really nice. Put that back. I wish these didn't come in 10 tons of plastic. It's very annoying. Why could it not be something like... Because we can't put this in our recycling, these little bits of plastic packaging. They have to go in the landfill, which I hate. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 brushes. I don't think I'll go through all of them. Now this one I know is for combing your eyebrows. Yeah, it looks very similar to, yeah, eyebrow kits. Now this one I believe is a highlighter brush, but again I could be wrong, I'm not a makeup artist or MUA. Get that to focus. To get out there. Is this a highlighting brush? Do let me know in the comments. And please be kind in the comments. I'm only trying out something new. This isn't in... Oh. Oh. See? It came out. The bristles came out. Not a good start. So there's even more coming out. Yeah, I think this is for highlight, which we put there and there. Possibly here. Or anywhere, I suppose. As long as it's not on your lip. Where did that go? Where did that go? There we are. Now, I think this next one, I could be wrong. Could be very wrong. But I think this is a blending brush. Or at least something to put on eyeshadow, because that's the kind of thing that I intend to do. Now I've seen these kind of things before. Let's just take it out of the condom packaging. I've seen these kind of things before. Yeah, those look like the... Tell you what, this smell is really overpowering. Yeah, those look like the free applicator brush or whatever you call. I don't know what I'm talking about. Like the free kind of things that you get with when you buy eyeshadow that come within the palette and whatnot. And angled brushes, these ones. Eyebrow brushes, because I use an angle brush for my eyebrows sometimes when I remember to put them on. Trouble with my eyebrows are they are really light coloured, so it looks like I barely have any. When you used to be able to go to places like salons and beauty bars and to get your beauty things done, I would go there to get them tinted and waxed, but I've been put off them now because everywhere is so clinical. And I think this is a bronzing brush. Yeah, because I've seen those kicking around some videos. Yeah, look. I'm not impressed. But I suppose since I won't be using these brushes, they're relevant to me. It's just the blending ones. And yeah, so that is the guided tour of these brushes. So I'll let you see them once again. Hang on. That's a spell. Wait a second. Oh, they're all going to fall out. yeah, I'm not impressed with that. With the smell, the quality, or anything really. Those are not nice. I'm not sure, I might send that back to Amazon because... Oh, honestly guys, they absolutely stink. So yeah, that was the unboxing, unpackaging, whatever you call it, of the brushes. If you've enjoyed this video or you think you might want to buy these, I'll leave the link below. If you found this interesting, also comment below if it's something else you want to see from my channel. And if you're new here, hey, and subscribe. I'd love to have new people here. Speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.